What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Chantler Tiara and I am back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I am partnering up with luvmehair to bring you guys this awesome video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I finessed, and when I say finesse, honey, I mean finesse. Finesse this T-part wig so that you are not clockable. Before we really get into this video, I did want to unbox this for you guys and show you all the wonderful goodies that you will receive inside. The wig does come in this beautiful purple box with gold foil wrapped in a purple ribbon. Once you open it, there's like a box full of goodies. And when I say a box full of goodies, it's a box. The first thing that you're going to get is a pamphlet from luvmehair. On the inside is going to show you all the tips and tricks to take care of your wig, as well as some frequently asked questions about it. They also give you a wig cap, which I will be using in this video, and then there's a little pouch with more goodies in it. Y'all, they really stuffed this box with goodies. Like, thank you, LUVME. So in the inside of this pouch, you will get a few bobby pins. You'll also receive a edge brush. They have the brush on one side and the comb on the other. They give you some tweezers. Along with the tweezers, you'll also get a pin, a hair pin that says LUVME. You'll get an elastic band, an extra one. And then you'll also receive an edge wrap. And last but not least, we get into the good part, the wig. Like I said, LUVME did send a T-part wig. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with the T-part wig, with the T-part, they give you the look of a frontal, so you get lace from ear to ear, but it gives you the functionality or like the usage of a closure. You basically get about an inch, if not less than that, of lace to work with. So it's really hard to customize these types of wigs and make them look scalpiana unless they come pre-plucked, which this one did not. You have no room to pluck this wig. I also would not suggest bleaching the knots just because they are on the bigger side, so it would be a waste of time because the bleach doesn't even penetrate the knots. So yeah, here I am just showing you guys the inside of a T-part, just in case this is your first time seeing a T-part. This wig also comes with an elastic band to make it glueless, and it comes with 3 clips, 1 in the back and 2 on the sides. So here are a few tips that I'm going to give you guys so that way your T-part looks a little bit more natural, okay? Now, this first step that I want to tell you guys about, it's completely optional, completely up to you. You do not have to do this step. You can go right along up into the second part. But for me, I just have to glue this wig down. It just made the lace melt more into my skin to give it a more flawless, natural look. I did not use lace glue this time around. You guys know I love lace glue if you have been rocking with me on my channel. But today I'm going to use the ORS grip gel as well as the ORS holding spray, and I just put 1 layer of each, and that just seems to do the job. But it did help with melting the lace into my skin, which to me gave it a natural look. Y'all, I still look crazy, but thank God we're not done yet. So step 2 to finessing your T-part wig is adding baby hair. Yes, baby hair. Some people may not think that this step is crucial, but adding baby hairs to a T-part wig as well as a closure always makes my wigs look natural. Now with baby hairs, some people aren't a fan of it. I personally, I like baby hairs, but I like baby hairs that look more like edges. So I decided not to do too many. But if you are a person who likes baby hairs, who likes to you know, slick and do the little whoop-de-doos, you know, go ahead and do that. That'll look even better. But for me, I just stuck with some simple ones, some in the front and then one on the side. Basically, add baby hairs where people would see. You don't have to do the full perimeter. Granted, there's not enough room to do the full perimeter, but definitely add them where people would see and just make it seem as if it's flowing into something, y'all. All right, now some people may think that baby hairs alone will just make the wig look natural, but that's just not the case. Along with baby hairs, you guys need to define your edges and define your parts. Here you'll see me take my concealer brush with a little bit of makeup that I had left over on it, and I'm just running it down my part as well as across the front of my head. Instead of using concealer, you can also pluck it, but like I said, I didn't have that much lace space, so I just opted for my concealer, and I'm just putting it where basically your edges would be, you know what I'm saying, to make it just look a little bit more natural. Now, after you've added your baby hairs and you've defined it and you've made like a clear indication of where your baby hairs and your hairline start, you're going to hot comb this wig, okay? You need to make sure that it is flat, but not only are you trying to make sure it's flat, you want to make sure that the top part or the front part of it is pushed back, okay? Like I said, you want to make a clear indication that the hairline and the edges are two separate pieces. Get what I'm saying? And that's basically it for the key points of how to finesse your T-part wigs. For the rest of the install, it's basically up to you on how you want to style it. Just add your own oomph, your own personality to it. I decided to add some face framing, you know, layers to the front just because I felt like it was a little dull and I needed to add some life into it. So I added some layers around the face, and then I'm just going for some body wave curls just to give it a little give it a little sexy, you know, just trying to zhuzh it up. Okay, just some specs on the hair. Like I said earlier, this hair was provided by luvmehair. This is their 20-inch T-part wig in the color balayage blonde. It is their body wave texture. The wig was super soft, super silky straight out of the box. You don't have to wash it. You can wear it straight out of the box, but I personally wash it. I don't know, but I just feel like I have to wash every bundle and every wig that I get before I install it. That's just me and my germophobia and whatever. But yes, I did wash it out of the box. You don't have to. You can just, you know, apply it and start curling it right then and there. But like I said, I chose to wash it. This wig did hold a curl very, 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 very well. I enjoyed working with this hair. I had got so many compliments when I wore this hair out. People really thought that it was a frontal, and when I explained to them exactly what it was, they still didn't believe me. Like, I had to show them exactly what it was. So this to me would be a really, really good purchase. It's actually the perfect color for winter going into spring because it's not too ashy of a blonde that it wouldn't go into spring, but it's also not a warmest color. It's like in the middle. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's really, really in the middle, and my camera really didn't do a good job of showing you guys the color, but I love this color. Like I said, this wig does come pre-colored. I did not tone it. I did not do nothing. I used regular shampoo and conditioner to wash this wig, and that was that. I did experience a little bit of shedding, but it wasn't too much to where like I hated the wig. I think it was just like shedding that's just gonna happen over time. Like, y'all know wigs are gonna shed, hair is gonna shed, so I'm not gonna charge that one to the game. But yeah, I really, really, really enjoyed this hair. I have no complaints. I literally have no complaints. Now, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I would give it a 10 out of 10, but I just cannot get with the T parts. Like, I don't know. I just can't get with it. Maybe if it was a frontal or actual closure, it could have been a 10 out of 10. But y'all, T parts just not my cup of tea, okay? But yeah, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. A big, warm, heartfelt thank you goes out to luvmehair for choosing to work with me today and sponsoring today's look. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for just taking the time to reach out to me and send me this hair and value my opinion, basically. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe down to the Clubhouse. I think I want to start calling this the Clubhouse, like Chantler's Clubhouse. Like, what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to start calling this the Clubhouse and we can meet at the Clubhouse every week. Or does that sound corny? I don't know. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know, share this with your mama, your friends, your cousins, and your coworkers, and let them know that we are so lit over here at the Clubhouse and they should join too. Make sure to keep in contact with your girl by clicking the link in my bio and following me on all my social medias, my Instagram, my Twitter. What else do I have? Follow me on my actual Clubhouse. Follow me on Snapchat, y'all. Just click the link down below and just keep up with your girl and follow me on Instagram. Also, if you want a custom made wig made by me, head over to soaddictivehair.com and place your order today. And like always, guys, I love y'all so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.